Dude, I remember when I was working there, literally the first table I ever ran a dish to, may have been an appetizer, I don't recall. I brought it out and I set the food in front of everybody, and this dude just like looks at me and he's like, "Are you fucking serious right now?" And I was like, "What?" And I look down and there's a fucking dead cockroach right on the pickle. Like comically big dead cockroach.
Oh my God.
On the top of this fucking pickle. And I didn't see it, and I could not believe that this just happened on my first time ever running food to a table. And I couldn't imagine if this happened to me, but I just like immediately grabbed it and I was like, I took it to the manager and like he comped their entire meal. I think he gave him like a gift card, and he like screamed at me because I didn't like look at the food before I took it out there.
What a fucking asshole.
Yeah, but still, like I couldn't believe that's like the first time I ever take food
On
somewhere.
the pickle.
I
It
get
was like
yelled
you
at.
pranked him.
It literally, dude, it looked like I put like a plastic fucking cockroach,
Oh
but it
my
wasn't
God.
plastic, and I didn't do it. It just was there. I couldn't.
Holy shit.
Yeah, so
That poor
Did they get
cockroach got right to the finish line and then died. It's like, I got to the food. Heart attack.
That's so funny, dude. Yeah, that's exactly what happened.
Wow. That's gross.
Did they shut the place down?
No, not at all. It's like highly rated.
Still got an A.
It's fucking amazing wings, dude.
Holy shit.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what's great is if you mix all the wing sauces and then throw in a cockroach. It's so good.
Dude, the seasoning.
Because you want a little crunch.
Yeah, a little
The
extra.
sweet and the crunch.
Yeah, white queso approved.
That's
Wait,
insane.
did you work there at that same restaurant that whole time?
No, I worked there, and then I worked at a fine dining sort of establishment right after. That was my first serving job, and honestly, like that was a great job, except for like the old like rich people that came in and like bossed you around.
Yeah.
Like just they were fucking so goddamn. I got written up there one time because I like sassed back at one of these ladies. She like snapped my finger, snapped her fingers at
Snapped
me.
your fingers.
Yeah.
That's entitlement.
I was like, no, these are my hands. Can't be snapping my fingers. No, she snapped my fingers to get her more salad dressing, of which she had knocked her ramekin over on the ground. So it was like her fault. She snapped her.
Ramekin?
What's a ramekin?
A ramekin's like what you get, like if you ask for like a side dressing or something on
like
the
a little
side.
dish?
Yeah, like,
Like the
there's
tiny
sometimes-
little cup?
Yeah, the tiny little cup. That's called a ramekin.
No way.
Did you know
Yeah.
that, Joe?
No.
Me
That's why I
either.
made a
didn't
big
know
stink
that?
about
You
it.
worked in restaurants.
I know. I bet poorly.
So she knocked a ramekin of dressing over, and I'm walking by with like a full hand of plates, trying to take them back to the kitchen because I pre-bus my tables.
That's good.
To all you bus boys out
Oh,
there.
yeah, got it.
I got your back by pre-bussing. So I was pre-bussing my table that had just left, and she snapped her fingers, pointed at the ground where the dressing was all over the fucking middle of the aisleway, and just with a mouthful of fucking salad, she just goes, more. Just snaps her fingers, goes more, and I
what'd you
was just,
say?
dude, I was like 16, I was like fucking like mad. I was so mad, dude. I was like busy as fuck, and so I went back to the kitchen. I threw this shit in there. I got her more dressing, and I like walked over and I set it on the floor, and I was just like there, and I went. It was like one of the to this day, it's still like one of the greatest, most bold things I've ever
Yeah.
done in my entire life.
That's awesome.
Also,
Yeah.
like, deserving of being written
Yeah.
up.
Yeah, right?
I thought maybe you were like, I'll be right back, or like, got a little testy.
Yeah.
But you fucking owned
Yeah,
it.
yeah, I owned her, and so I went immediately. As soon as I did this, I went back to my manager and I told him like, "Hey, this lady like she demoralized me. She dehumanized who I was as a person." And I told him exactly what I did and why. And of course, she like told another server to get the manager, and he goes over there and she told him the story, and he just goes, "Now, why would he do that?" And it was just like he had my back. Like
shit.
fucking, I know.
Yeah.
He had my back, and I think it's because she was just such a fucking bitch. Anyways, comps all their meals and everything. Probably gives him a gift card, and then comes back. He's like, I have to write you up. I'm sorry, but like, pretty good story, but I have to write you up. I was like, no, it's fine, but I won't do it again. And I think he sent me home as well that day.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Worth it, though.
Yeah, dude, absolutely. That was fucking.